I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked, then locate the IMEI so the carrier can provision the profile. Once done, make sure you have the carrier's eSIM QR or activation code and a strong Wi-Fi connection. Cellular provisioning often needs internet. You should also back up your current SIM settings and note your primary number in case you must restore. Now open Settings and head straight to the Cellular or Mobile Data section to scan the carrier QR code or manually enter the SMDP plus address and activation code in the Add eSIM flow. This tells the carrier's server which profile to push to your device. Once the profile downloads, tap Activate and assign the line as primary or secondary depending on use. Make sure to set data and voice preferences so apps use the correct line. If you rely on travel, enable data roaming now. Wait while the carrier finalizes activation and your signal appears. You finish by confirming the carrier lists the eSIM as active. Check signal, make a call, send an SMS, and load a web page to verify data. If you're replacing a physical SIM, remove it when instructed and label the eSIM in settings so you don't mix lines. Make sure network priority and default data are correct for apps. If anything goes wrong, reboot the phone, retry scanning the QR, and if still failing, contact the carrier with your IMEI and activation code for remote troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.